So happy rainy Monday, everybody. I'm so sick of this rain and cold weather and being cooped up inside, especially trying to do this keto. Sorry I haven't posted for a few days, but we are now at the end of week 2 on the keto plan. Guys, close your ears, but first week lost 5.5 pounds. This last week was on my period, and today on weigh-in was still maintaining at that 5.5. But the way I look at that is that's still over 2 pounds a week. So I'll take that as a plus. But it is hard not to get discouraged when you don't see the scale move and you know you're doing everything right as far as eating and stuff goes. So just a couple of things that Alan and I have been talking about, that as far as food goes, that I think have been key for me and may help you. Aldi has been a lifesaver. We get all of our veggies. If you're doing keto, you're going to find that you're eating tons and tons and tons of leafy green vegetables, and we get all of that best we can at Aldi because one, it's cheaper, and two, it's just, I find, good quality. Some may disagree with that, but for me, and trying to do keto on a budget, that's really helpful for me. But we get all our veggies there. Another thing that, as far as food goes, that is a staple for us to make sure we have in the house is we go to Costco every week and we get a couple of their rotisserie chickens, and we keep those in the refrigerator. And whether I'm using those on top of salad, whether I'm chopping them up and using them in some cauliflower rice, or just pulling them off to eat, it's already done, it's ready, you don't have to cook it. And they also have at Costco cauliflower rice that is already riced, the cauliflower, and I would say it's probably at least 2 good heads of cauliflower that's already riced. All you have to do is cook it. And I tend to put that in the frying pan. I cook it a little longer than they tell me to, just because I think it's better that way. But that is a staple that we keep and have here at the house. What we did learn last week out shopping is that do not confuse paleo and keto. Just because something says paleo on it does not mean it is keto friendly. A lot of paleo has a ton of carbohydrates in it, so be really careful of that. And be careful that if you eat stuff like beef jerky or pork rinds, don't assume that all brands are the same, that they all have no sugar or no carbohydrates. Make sure to read your label. We got 2 different kinds of beef jerky last week. I don't even remember where we were shopping, but 2 different kinds. And one was fine for us, and the other had like 8 grams of sugar in it, and we didn't even realize it till we'd eaten it. So, lesson learned. But checked, we bought the keto strips to check our urine weekly to make sure we're still in ketosis. Still in ketosis, no problem, but again, maintaining on the weight, which I think is pretty good. So that's where we are. If you have any questions about the food, I'd be happy to answer it. There's a ton more stuff. Next time I go shopping, I'm going to kind of do a video of our grocery haul. But if you have any questions between now and then, let me know. And thanks for watching.